Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. Egg and Dart. Here we have a selection, a very small selection of all the many designs of, that can be done in egg and dart in terms of height to width ratio, etc., how deep the eggs are. It goes on and on and on. Any of it's good. I've even seen square eggs. This one over here is kind of a typical bulk standard egg and dart. And then the one underneath it here, that's French, that little one with the bell and the extra cut on the edge of the eggshell, shall we say. This is a cute little one, but notice it's slightly wider. I like that openness it has. Here is a tighter one, very small, where the eggs slightly go in a little bit. Over here, these are Empire designs taken from Roman and Greek. Roman, actually, I think. Up at the top here, this was one we did for Fulham Palace, for the fireplace, designed by the architect we were working with. So that's got those leaves around the edge. And down at the bottom here, here's a family or a cousin of the egg and darts. So it's on the same, it looks similar with the bell and the sort of eggy bit there, but this time with a flower and have not cut as deep as a typical egg. So many types and all sorts of family members in egg and dart. Nothing is right, nothing is wrong.